Hi, welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. This is Marcia. This is our September Embellishments Kit Club items, and I wanted to show this to you real quick and let you head on over to the shop and grab one before they're gone. Each comes with one pen, and I will randomly pick the color. If you're quick like a bunny and you go over to the shop, there's one of each, and you tell me in the note to seller at checkout, I will put the pen color that you tell me. But if it's already gone, then you just have to pick another color. Or like I said, I am randomly picking the colors. But if you're watching the video and you tell me, but in the description it says I am going to randomly pick the color. All right, so this one is black, olive green, and it has a shimmery part. This one is a silver, it's matte. And each of them have a little charm on this one. So you see that one has a guitar. This one has flowers. Okay, this one is a heart. This is a lavender. This is a butterfly. Isn't that pretty? Shimmery. Trying to hold it so that you can see the shimmer. And then they twist to open. So you just turn it, trying to hold my phone, and I do this at the same time. Okay, so you turn it like that, and then that's how it opens and closes. A gold. That's an owl. Pink shimmery. And this is a heart, a teal green, and this has a starfish on it, and then it also has a heart. This is red with a flower, and this one is blue with just lots of decorative blue beads, and then last, orange. And this is a snowflake. Okay, so let's put the beads back over here. All right, now, the journal kit comes with 3 original artwork and art fiber journal cards in various sizes, 5x7 or 4x6. And the kit is designed to help you unlock your creativity, be in the daily sunshine, and find gratitude. So this is designed as one signature. So I've put it together to be one signature, and then you can use this as is, and you could stitch it down the side and have one, just this could be its own little journal by itself, or you can, put this together as a signature. And but let me go through piece by piece and show you what's in the kit. So this one, original artwork. This was gifted to me. This is my original artwork with my calligraphy. Some tea-dyed watercolor papers in various sizes. 3 vintage recipe book pages, and I believe this is 5x7. And 1 9x12 kids art page in white that I folded over, and 1 9x12 kids art page in manila that I folded over. So that is enough for one signature. It's 12 pages, and I know that you're going to really love this, and you can embellish these up any way you want. I've made some longer so you could fold it over and make a pocket. I've left these if you wanted to use these as journal cards. So it's a great kit and a great price. There's 10 kits all together, and one color for each pen. So there's 10 pens, so I made 10 kits. And I do have a few leftover pen colors, so if these 10 sell out, then the colors that I have, I will relist those, and then you'll be able to pick one up. So grab one fast. At this price, they're not going to last long. And thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. And let me know in the comments below which color is your favorite, and I will reserve it for you. Have a great day. Keep creating in the sunshine. Bye-bye.